Africa's forests are more than just trees, they are alive with incredible creatures, from the towering treetops to the forest floor. Primates are among the most intelligent animals of the forest. In the rainforests of Central Africa, you'll find mighty gorillas, playful chimpanzees, and the elusive bonobo. Other primates, like the mandrill and colobus monkey, spend their days in the trees, foraging and playing. The African forest elephant is smaller than its savanna cousin, but just as majestic. These gentle giants roam the forest, creating trails that other animals follow. The bongo, with its striking reddish-brown coat and white stripes, is one of the most beautiful antelopes of the forest. Alongside it are smaller species like the duiker, always alert for predators. In the shadows lurks the leopard, a master of stealth. This powerful hunter can climb trees with ease, stalking its prey quietly among the foliage. And on the ground, you'll need to keep an eye out for reptiles like the gaboon viper, whose venomous bite can be deadly. The forest canopy is alive with color and song. The African gray parrot is known not only for its beauty, but also for its ability to mimic sounds. Other birds, like the mighty hornbill, play an important role in spreading seeds throughout the forest. When the sun sets, bats take to the sky, keeping the insect population in check and pollinating flowers as they fly. The okapi is one of Africa's most mysterious animals. Though it looks like a mix of a zebra and a giraffe, it's actually a relative of the giraffe, found only in the Democratic Republic of Congo. And the pangolin, the only mammal with protective scales, uses those scales as armor, rolling into a ball when threatened. Even the tiniest creatures play a big role in the ecosystem. Driver ants, moving in large armies, are nature's cleanup crew, devouring anything in their path. And in the rivers and ponds, the Goliath frog, the largest frog in the world, leaps from rock to rock. These animals aren't just fascinating, they're essential to the health of our planet. But African forests are under threat from deforestation and poaching. It's up to all of us to protect these forests and the amazing creatures that call them home. The African forest is a world of wonders. From the smallest ant to the mightiest elephant, every creature plays its part in this delicate ecosystem. Let's make sure these forests and the animals that live in them thrive for generations to come.